I think that there are a number of different strategies to implement AI successfully. And the very first is to make sure that you have your data in a proper, clean format so that it's ingested into these various large language models in a way that essentially makes them very useful for you. One of the most important strategies is to make sure that you have your data prepared properly for AI. And as they've always said in the technology industry for years and years, garbage in, garbage out. So you want to make sure that the data that is essentially facilitating your AI application is clean, it's proper. You want to make sure that your data is prepared to be ingested into these AI tools. And you also want to make sure that you have the right kind of infrastructure, the right kind of team that can support your activities. Here at DHI Group, we have a data engineering and analysis team that's led by a VP of data engineering. And there is a new emerging role called the Chief Data Officer, which I think is going to be very important for the future, that is going to essentially be that person that is in charge of your strategy for making sure that data is clean, that's ingested into the tools properly, and that the tools are effectively delivering the right kind of value proposition. I think another strategy is to essentially make sure that you have a clear policy as to where you're taking AI in your organization. So AI can be used in a number of different ways, a number of different functional areas, a number of different use cases. Each individual company has to decide where they should place their bet on AI. And I think that articulating that so that the entire organization understands it is very important from the perspective of the C-level executives in your company, how they want to achieve their goals using AI. Another really important factor right now is to really look at what other companies are doing and successfully implementing AI for. There is a number of larger companies like JP Morgan as one illustration that has indicated that they believe that they're going to have AI touching every single functional area of their company very soon. So keeping an eye out for how other people are using AI and applying those same lessons learned is a good strategy for all of life, especially being a smaller company.